pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
custard. For this you'll need 250 ml of milk, 2 level dessert spoons of cornflour, that's 20 ml, 25 grams of sugar, 1 egg and some vanilla flavouring. Measure 3 dessert spoons of milk into a bowl. What comes after 2? Add the cornflour and mix well until smooth. Beat the egg. I can't use my beating bowl because that's got the cornflour in it. Heat the remaining milk until just below boiling point. Remove from the heat and stir in the cornflour mixture. Now bring to the boil. Once boiling, stir until thickened, then simmer for 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and stir in the sugar. The beaten egg. And the vanilla flavouring. And that's custard made. And now for the taste test. Custard on the pudding. A lot. That's extremely good. Very, very tasty. Custard's great too.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.